we're here to open our Harry collection, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, gonna get some more clothes?
Yeah.
Okay then. You want to open it?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is from, try not to get my address in there. There is Harry collection.
Yeah.
It's a big parcel as well. That is a big one. Should we see what's in there?
Yeah.
Go on then. Mummy open it for you and then you can pull the clothes out, yeah? Oh my goodness! Right, I'm just going to hold the stack up a minute because look at that. Even Luna's excited. Right, hang on a minute, we've got to wait. We've got to do one at a time. You ready? Oh, she's very excited. Wow. What's that one? You want to show that one?
Yeah.
Right then. This one is a summer romper and oh my god, that's so adorable. Look at that.
And that was for...
Oh, look at those! I think this might be a bit big for you, right, babe? But we've ordered 3 to 4.
It's for me.
That is for you. We've ordered 3 to 4 because she's just on the cusp of going out of 2 to 3. So by this, like the full summer, she's going to be like too big for it. So 3 to 4 is the way to go for us now. This one is actually a UV fabric. So when it goes into the light, the colours come out inside the unicorn. So I'll have to see if I can get a shot of that later, like in the sun. There is no sun at the moment because all it's doing is raining. It buttons up all the way down the middle. And it's got this beautiful like roll hem down on the legs and on the sleeves. Yeah, and I'll try and get some shots of the colours coming out on the unicorn, but that's so good. Right, should we show everyone the next one?
Yeah.
What's this one? This has got dinosaurs on it. This is her dress and I'm obsessed. Look at this dress.
Wow.
So it's got like a matching purple sleeve. And then it's just like a skater style dress, but she's obsessed with dinosaurs. So She-Rex. Oh, the colours in that moon are just stunning. Look at that. And the quality of the material is insane. Look how beautiful that is. One of my personal favourites that Luna's holding up right now.
I got this one, trousers.
You got your trousers. Are you ready? Should we show everyone?
Yeah.
Harry Potter fabric. We are huge Harry Potter fans here in the Body household. They've got a Harry Potter themed bedroom, her and her brother, and it is amazing. Like, we'll get to that one in a minute, babe. But these are beautiful. It's such thick fabric as well. I know she only got a little bit of this one in, so I'm not sure how many she's got left, if any, but these are just stunning. This is on the bottom.
Everybody, I got shorts.
We do have shorts. Well done, Luna. We'll get to those in a minute, baby. Just absolutely obsessed with these. So stunning. Look how gorgeous that is. Right, we'll do the next one because Luna's... Oh, we tried them on, are we, baby?
Yes.
Right, we'll try them on in a minute. Let's show the camera first, yeah?
Yeah.
Margarita gym shorts. Look at those. It's like a little, I don't know if you can see very well, but it's a little skull like inside a pizza, and I'm living for it. Like light, so they'll be super good for summer, and it's like a lovely little like stretchy waistband, so it's so comfortable for them. And this beautiful little hem on there.
These ones, that would be mummy.
And this one, lead the pack. Look at that top. Oh God, you're so good, Laura. Look at that. Lead the pack. It's not going to focus very well because my camera's been a dick. But there we go. Lead the pack. Obviously, anyone that knows us, little one's called Luna. So anything with a moon in it or walls, I am obsessed. And that, look at the colour of that. That is beautiful. Oh my God. We can't wait to try on these now. I'm going to have to do like 100 changes. Right. Now this is the one. Any 90s kids out there are going to absolutely bloody love this. Ready? Look at this bomber jacket.
This is coat.
It's a coat, yeah. Do you want to come see? With a Tamagotchi.
No, I need it.
Oh, you need it. Should we try it on? Look at that. Tamagotchis that say feed me on it. Oh, God.
Oh, God.
And yeah, these are just insane. Look at that. It's got this beautiful like matching zipper. So look at that, like the pink and the zipper just match perfectly. You absolute wizard. And it's like beautiful and soft inside. Oh, that's so gorgeous. And there's like a perfect little like jacket for, you know, like summer where it's too hot to wear a jacket in the day, but you just need something in the evening, like out and about. And how cool. Oh, I need one of those for me now. I need mama ones, that's what we need. Look at that. Oh, I'm obsessed with that.
Bye.
That's it. Should we go try these clothes on?
Yep, I don't
Yep.
put these on. Like,
Which one's your favourite out of those ones? Because that's such a huge stash there. Oh my lord. You want to try this one on?
the coat one.
You want the coat?
Yep.
She wants to try the coat on. Shall we see what this is like? Great.
I don't need
Come here
that
then.
Okay. I really
Oh my god, it's so cute. Come here then. Let's show the camera. Come here. Oh, and it fits gorgeous because some of her 3 to 4 stuff is too big and some of it's like the right size, but this is beautiful. Want to show everyone?
Hi.
Look. We'll do some action shots in a bit, yeah? Look at that. You are so cool. You're not even a 90s baby, but you look amazing.
I put this one on.
You like it? Move your belly. That's it. Look at that. Look at you.
Oh, the pillow coat.
Look at that. So, alright, you want to say bye?
Bye.
Oh, bye everyone. Thanks for watching.